The world around us is changing, like everything around us is changing. If you haven't said, guys, like you have to pay attention, because everything is changing currently. Like if I say everything, like everything, the world is changing, relationships are changing, cultural shifts emerging all the time, you know. Even our perspectives, like the way we view the world isn't like it now, you know, because we all have different opinions, we all have different views and stuff like that. So like everything is literally changing. That's what I mean, like everything is changing.
Justin Bigere, every day is a chance to get better, here to uplift, inspire, educate. Let's go.
So for us to be part of that change, we also have to develop daily habits, because if we don't do something about it, guys, is to be like we will remain behind as people, and maybe AI will take over the world, but I don't think so. But then what I'm saying is that we also need to start developing daily habits, like things that we need to be doing for us to find the growth in ourselves, you know, for us to improve our lives, you know, for us to improve our relationships and stuff like that, just for us to see the growth in ourselves. Because if everything around us is changing, we also gotta do something about it, rather than just like sit down and start complaining about it, you know. So yeah, guys, in today's video, guys, only a few daily habits that we can be doing, and I am doing it currently, and I just like wanted to recommend it to the people that need it. If it's something that you haven't been doing, I'll recommend you start doing it, because I think it will help you too. I think it will also add to your growth and the person that you are now. I don't think so if it will make you feel better about yourself, and I don't think so if it will like devalue you as a person, because I don't think so. So like one of the first thing that we can do, like some of the daily habits that we can be start doing, guys, is like morning routines, you know. I know we all have different schedules and stuff like that. There are some people who work at night and some people who work during the day. So for those that work at night, like they'll be sleeping during the day, but then you just have to find with your schedule and stuff like that. But the one that I do, and since I work during the day, is that, you know, before I go to work or anything like that, before I do anything, I'll just like wake up, I do my home workout there, you know. Because I'm someone that likes to exercise, so like I'll just like wake up, do my home workout, and but after doing that, I'll go shower, and after shower I just have my breakfast, and after that I'm ready to start my day. And this is something that I'm doing currently. I think I've been consistent with it, because I started a long time, and I think I've been consistent with this, and I'm actually seeing growth in myself, and it's actually helping. I don't think so if it's devaluing me as a person, and I don't think so if I think it's helping me, you know. It's really helping me, because yeah. So yeah, guys, morning routines are very important. Just find something that you really need to be doing like each and every morning. If it's for you to like have a healthy meal during the morning, like, you know, do it, but you just gotta have to stay consistent and see how the results will turn up, you know. And I think this is a daily habit that's going to help us a lot, since since everything around us is changing. I think we also need to find daily habits that we really need to be doing each and every day. And yeah, guys, the second thing that we can also be doing for us to see the growth in ourselves is that, you know, and I noticed this, like we often don't prioritize this often, you know, and that is like practice gratitude, you know. Sometimes we worry on the big things, but then the small things, you know, we actually forget about them. But let's just also be able to practice gratitude. Let's be happy with what we have while chasing for more, because yeah, we gotta chase for more, but then we have to be grateful for what we have, you know. The small we get, we have to appreciate it, you know. The small we are able to achieve, we have to appreciate it. The milestone that we are able to hit, guys, we have to appreciate it, you know. There's money that we're able to earn, if it's small, we have to appreciate it, guys. Let's just practice gratitude, because I think this is also something that we also need to start working on this year, and I think it will keep us to that level of, you know, that level of the top 1%, as they say. Because if the world around us is changing, we also need to start change the way we think and the way we perceive ourselves and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, let's practice gratitude, because I think it's important for us to be grateful for what we have, and continue to chase for more. And the third thing, guys, is like, you know, reading and learning. Let's start learning, guys. Let's start educating ourselves. Let's start feeding the brain, because the brain is the most powerful tool, you know. So let's just start educating ourselves. Let's continue to read more, learn more, educate ourselves on topics that we really find interesting. And for the ones that we really not interested in, but then we see that it can help us, let's force ourselves to learn. Because if you see it can help you, why don't you learn it? Even though if it's boring, or even though if you don't like it or anything like that, if it's something that you know it's gonna help you, why don't you educate yourself? So yeah, let's continue to read, guys. Let's continue to learn and continue to educate the beautiful brain that we have, you know. So and yeah, guys, these are the only 3 habits that I thought I should share with you guys in this video. I know everything around us is changing. The person that you were today, the person that you were yesterday,
I don't like where this is going.
isn't the person that you are today.
Hey!
The person that you are today, isn't the person that you were yesterday. So why don't you continue to grow? Why don't you continue to build yourself up and become a better person? So yeah, guys, that's basically the end of this video. If you guys did find the video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, for more educational and inspiring content by Justin Vigera, and I'll see you in the next video.